KCC105. Welcome to our class. My name is Professor Will Johnson. Picture to go with the voice you'll hear on these videos. My contact information, I'll have that available for you. I want to welcome you to the course, and I want to let you know what we'll see every single week in our online course. Discussion board. If you have been to Blackboard online courses at Kendall, I think you know the drill. Here's our Blackboard site. Down here you got the discussion boards, but I do want to mention one interesting thing about our discussion board. Here's the post for week number 1. And I'll click here. There is only one thread. I start the thread. You're going to click in there, and then you can respond to my threads down here. Or respond to any of your classmates' reply and go on from there. I want to let you know also, you need to participate on 3 different days on the discussion board. Okay? Don't just all post on Sunday night. That's not a discussion. That's just, you're just getting something done. So I see some initial posts. Welcome, Alexandra. Welcome, Jamie. Welcome, Marissa. This is great. I'm glad you guys are participating. I'm looking for more posts than just the first one. Some other things about my class. Reflections. After each week's homework, we're going to have a chance to see each other's work and reflect on it. So that's an interesting, it's like another discussion board. That's another interesting part of our class. Comprehension checks. That's a fancy name for quizzes. So you'll see here in course documents, which is where most of our work lives. Week number 1, you get down here. If you click, say, the Analyzing Infographics, this CC, that's a fancy word for a quiz. You can take it up to 3 times, so I think it should be, I don't want to say easy money, but you have 3 times to take it. It hopefully should be an easy grade for you in our course. Weekly assignment, that's just your standard homework. So if I go to in course documents all the way down here describing linear growth for week number 1, you have another CC, another quiz, and then down here is the description and the grading criteria for your homework, and you'll submit it in that link. Every single week we'll follow that same rhythm, that same routine, and you see a little grid here, just giving you some suggested due dates. Other than the last date, you don't have to complete that by Friday. It's a suggestion, but definitely by Monday. After Monday, we're on to week number 2. So that's just a general walkthrough of what we're going to see in our course, but also, if you need help, obviously you got me, my contact information. There's a class YouTube channel. I have that link available for you with a lot of videos and resources there. And also, I want to emphasize this. Each other. Don't just say, hey, what do I need to do to get through this? I want you to look at other students' work and say, wow, that's great. How did you do that? Think about reaching out and using each other. What other people did well, say, hey, can you help me do that? The more that we're working together, I think the better the class can be. At the biggest picture, though, welcome to the class. I'm looking forward to it. Always an email, always a phone call away. So, welcome.